Father, kindness, you have poured out grace. You brought me out of darkness, you have filled me with peace. Giver of mercy, you're my help in time of need. Lord, I can't help but sing. Faithful you are, faithful forever you will be. Faithful you are, all your promises are yes and amen. All your promises are yes and amen. Beautiful Savior, you have brought me near. You pull me from the ashes, you have broken every curse. Blessed Redeemer, you have set this captive free. Lord, I can't help but sing. Faithful you are, faithful forever you will be. Faithful you are, all your promises are yes and amen. All your promises are yes and amen. Faithful you are, faithful forever you will be. Faithful you are, all your promises are yes and amen. All your promises are yes and amen. I will rest in your promises. My confidence is your faithfulness. I will rest in your promises. My confidence is your faithfulness. I will rest in your promises. My confidence is your faithfulness. I will rest in your promises. My confidence is your faithfulness. Faithful you are, faithful forever you will be. Faithful you are, all your promises are yes and amen. All your promises are yes and amen. All your promises are yes and amen. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Yes and Amen by Chris Tomlin. If you saw some chords in that cover that you didn't know what they were, that's because they were advanced guitar chords, because this is an advanced guitar cover. And I've got something free for you. It's called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. So there's a link to it down in the description below. It's a PDF with 25 advanced guitar chords. So if you want to learn some of the chords that I've been showing you, watch out for the tutorial. It's coming out tomorrow as of this video being posted, but I also teach you some of those chords in the PDF. So there's a link to that in the description below. Sign up. I'll send it to you for free. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me today. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.